evolutionary drones mimicking nature. Biomimicry drones are a new generation of drones inspired by nature. These drones mimic the movements and abilities of animals and insects, giving them unique advantages. Here are some interesting facts about Bionic Opter that you can include in your YouTube video. Flying like birds, some Bionic Opters mimic swift birds, such as buzzards, allowing them to achieve high speed and agile flight. Others mimic shahad, which allows them to hover in the air for long periods of time. Moving like insects, some Bionic Opters are inspired by crawling insects, such as slugs, which allows them to access tight and difficult spaces. Others mimic insects such as flies, giving them vertical takeoff and landing capabilities. Environmental perception, some Bionic Opters use sonar like bats, allowing them to see the environment even in dark or smoky places. Like other insects, they have wind-sensing sensors, which help them resist gusts of wind and maintain steady flight. Advantages of Bionic Opters. Search and rescue. Bionic Opters can be helpful in search and rescue operations in tight spaces such as under rubble or inside damaged buildings. Industry and infrastructure inspection. They can be used to inspect hard-to-access infrastructure such as bridges, oil pipelines, and wind farms. Agriculture, useful for crop monitoring, pest control, and crop irrigation. Delivery services, can be used for fast and efficient delivery in urban areas. The future of Bionic Opters. Bionic Opters are still in their early stages, but they have a lot of potential. In the future, we can expect to see new and even more complex bionic designs, which can be used in a variety of fields. Bionic ANTs. Bionic ants, small but mighty drones. Bionic ants are a new and exciting type of drones that have been created by imitating the abilities and behavior of ants. These small drones are capable of performing large tasks and have several advantages over larger drones. Learning from ants. Ants are nature's master engineers and cooperative creatures. Together they carry out complex tasks, travel over difficult paths, and can carry much more than their own weight. The designs of bionic ants are inspired by these abilities. Small size, usually smaller than the size of an insect, bionic ants can reach tight and hard-to-reach places where larger drones cannot. Strength and endurance, they are surprisingly strong for their size, allowing them to crawl under debris and carry small objects. Cooperation, some bionic ants are designed to work together, just as real ants perform complex tasks together. This capability enables them to perform larger and more complex tasks. Computational power. Some designs include simple sensors and computing power, allowing them to sense their environment and make decisions independently. Applications of bionic ants. Bionic ants have several potential uses, including search and rescue, to find people trapped in destroyed buildings, under rubble, or in caves. Infrastructure inspection, to inspect internal parts of bridges, pipelines, and other infrastructure. Crop monitoring, aids in agriculture for crop health monitoring and pest control. Disaster situation, to connect with people in flood-affected areas or help in relief operations. Challenges and future. Bionic ant technology is still in its infancy, and there are some challenges that must be overcome. These include battery life. Long flight times are difficult to achieve due to the small size. Communication. Adding powerful communication systems to small devices is difficult. Cognitive abilities, the ability to work independently and learn from the environment, needs to be further developed. However, bionic ants have enormous potential. In the future, we can expect to see more powerful, intelligent, and autonomous bionic ants, which will change the way we interact with the world. Bionic Swift. Bionic Swift, imitating nature to create the fastest drone in the skies. Biomimicry Swift is a revolutionary field of drone design inspired by the swift and agile bird, the swift. In this video, we'll examine how Bionic Swift technology is paving the way for next-generation drones with high speeds and unique capabilities. Swift's amazing capabilities. The Swift is a small bird, known for its swift and agile flight. They can reach speeds of more than 170 km/h and can move even in strong winds. Bionic Swift designs emulate the following features to achieve these capabilities. Structure. Like the Swift's long and thin wings, the Bionic Swift has a lightweight and flexible wing design that creates minimal drag. Bionic Flyfox. Bionic Flyfox, a unique drone design inspired by nature. The biomimicry Flying Fox is a unique drone design inspired by the giant bat, the Flyfox. This design is known for its large wings, lightweight, and agile flight. In this video, we'll examine how Bionic Flyfox technology is opening up new possibilities for next-generation drones. Amazing capabilities of Flyfox. The Flyfox is the world's largest bat, with a wingspan of up to 1.5 meters. They are nocturnal animals known for their amazing flight abilities. Bionic Flyfox designs emulate the following features to achieve these capabilities. Large wings. Like the Flyfox, the Bionic Flyfox has large wings that generate more lift even at low speeds. This allows them to fly in complex environments such as dense forests and urban areas. Lightweight. The Bionic Flyfox design uses lightweight materials, allowing them to fly more efficiently and consume less energy. Nimble flight. Flyfoxes can turn and flip at high speeds, which helps them navigate through forests and avoid obstacles. Bionic Flyfox designs use advanced control systems to simulate this agile flight. Benefits of Bionic Flyfox. The large wingspan, low weight, and agile flight capabilities make the Bionic Flyfox suitable for many unique applications, including search and rescue. Can be used to rapidly search large areas to aid in search and rescue operations in disaster areas.